it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Channon Rose, did you see that? Channon Rose December box. So obviously I'm a little late because we're in January, but I did want to share what I got in my box. So if you're not familiar with Channon Rose, she is a YouTuber as well. I've actually met her in real life. We went out to lunch up in Tahoe, or here where I live, and she is so sweet, guys. She really is such a sweet, genuine, very kind, very soft-spoken person. I really, really liked her. She's gorgeous, but she really is very, very nice. Like, I really, really enjoyed my time with her. We had lunch, and she's so sweet. She always, like, keeps in touch with me. I just think she's a really kind person, and I really like that. So you guys probably already know who she is, but I will leave all of her channels down below so you guys can check her out. She's cut her hair, and it is so cute. Really short, and it's so cute on her. Anyway, so this is her December box. Her boxes come out every other month, I believe. So the next box will be February, so you could probably now order for February's box, but this is the December box. So each box comes differently because I've had a couple of her boxes. So she changes out the boxes. I don't know if that heart is there or if that's my daughter. I'm not really sure, but they always say #RoseFam. They always have these gorgeous roses on them, and then of course her name. This one obviously looks all like nice and wintry. Did you guys see Peppa? He's sleeping. So inside there's a really cute little card, and it says, "Happy holidays to my gorgeous Rose fam. I want you all to know how much I love and appreciate you all during this holiday time. Sending you all my love and positive energy. Mwah. Enjoy your prezzies. Love, Shannon and Travis." And it's like a really cute, it's like a little Christmas card. Like, I feel like I got a Christmas card from them. So that was really sweet. Always has like a little thing right here that tells you exactly what you're getting. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different products. Does kind of have a little blurb about like what the product is, etc. The first thing we have is a really cute little mug, and it just says #RoseFam. I gotta say, I really like these mugs because when you are doing a picture on Instagram, it shows your nails really good. Some mug handles have really small handles. That's pathetic, isn't it? That's when you know that you take way too many pictures on Instagram of mugs. But see, you can see all my nails. So you're showing off your polish and your cute mug at the same time. This is just a nice black mug. It's actually a very nice size. It fits a lot of stuff. Inside of it, we have, oh my god, this desk is a mess. The Hum Raw Beauty Green Superfood Powders. Oh, okay, so one is ginger snap. Wait, is that ginger snap? Ginger snap infusion. The other one is a Tahitian vanilla and berry infusion. And then the next one is a mint chocolate chip infusion. And it says that you're supposed to just mix these with water or milk or almond milk or into your favorite smoothie, and it's a vegan whole food supplement. This one is supposed to help boost energy, radiant skin, and metabolism with raw organic greens. This one is supposed to help boost energy. Okay, so they're all supposed to help boost energy, make your skin radiant, and help your metabolism. Next, we have the It's a 10 Miracle Styling Serum. And I know for a fact that Miracle or It's a 10 is awesome. This is actually a brand that we used to use all the time in the salon when I used to work, especially the leave-in conditioning spray, but I have used this as well, and it is really good. I seem to remember it smells really delicious. Yeah, it does. They smell so good, like really fresh, and that's like that's a full-size product, so that's pretty good. This box is $39.99 every other month, so that, I'm assuming, would probably be around $20 if you were to buy it just by itself. Next, we have a little sample of Dawn Patrol Classic Primer from Kula. So that's just like a little sample. I don't think my camera wants to focus. Next, we have some tea bags. These are the organic turmeric ginger tea bags from Capital Teas. I really like these tea bags when you can like see all the goodies that they have inside of them. They're kind of cool. I just had a tea at Pete's the other day, and like I took out the tea bag and it was like, holy moly, like you could see the little flowers. I think it was like chamomile and I don't know what, but you could see flowers in there. So I think this is kind of the same thing, like you can see all the little bits inside of the tea bags. So that's pretty cool. She has the tea and then she has a mug in there, so she's got you covered on everything you need. Okay, then we have the Elevie Ginger Lemon Lip Butter. Evoli, and it's just kind of like an interesting shape. There we go. So it's kind of like a real big one, so that's quite nice. Oh gosh, that smells delicious. It smells exactly like ginger lemon. This would actually be a really nice chapstick for male as well because it is quite a big one. It doesn't feel so foofy, you know what I mean? And it smells delicious. Okay, then we have a little necklace from Jessie & Co. See, it's a very cute little rose necklace, so it's silver. Very appropriate for a Channon Rose box because obviously that is a rose. I don't even know why I told you that because you can see, you guys have eyeballs. So that's cute, a piece of jewelry, I like that. I like that it's a nice mixture. There's a little bit of beauty, there's some kind of like lifestyle stuff like the tea and the mug, there's some jewelry, and then the last piece is a scarf. It's a nice chic color, it's just black, gray, and then there's like a little pop of yellow, which is nice. I think this is really good for the winter season, but it's nice that it's not like just a red scarf, because then you can wear it throughout, like, you know, January, February, March. You can wear it, or I mean, you really could wear it all year round, to be honest, if you want to just stick with a nice kind of black and white theme. But that's actually a really cute scarf. It has like a little fringe on the side here. Just gonna go ahead and unfold it. Like super soft. Oh, okay, so it's like a huge big square. It's like a big square. You can fold them into the perfect triangle, and this is my favorite way to wear scarves because it just looks so cute when you have this like little point. So basically I like to fold them so that you have a triangle like this, and then you get both ends. It actually matches my outfit right now. Woohoo! And then you tie it around like this. See how you have like the little points, and then you can just tuck these little edges in. Usually I just tie those up and then just hide them. And then you have like this really cute little kind of like triangle scarf. This one's really cozy. It's really soft. It's nice and big, but it's not too bulky. You know, you don't feel like you have this like ginormous thing on, but you can also, I mean, there's so many different ways that you can wear these. Like you could also wear it more where the triangle piece is in the back, and then you just kind of like have it like shawled over. You can roll them up so that you have them more like an actual, you know, oops, an actual just like long scarf. So I like this. I like the color of it. I think the little pop of yellow is fun, and I love the fact that it is black and white, and it's really, really soft, and it's an awesome size. So overall, I think this is a great box because I love tea. I love mugs. You guys know I'm like such a weird mug lady. And I really do love scarves. I wear quite a lot of them in the winter time, especially that triangle shape, or the square, but you can make it a triangle. So I really like that. I love the color of it. These little smoothie packs, I would probably just put them in a smoothie. I don't know about powder and milk. It just sounds weird to me. But I would absolutely stick these into my smoothies, or even into my acai bowls, because that's what I've been having in the morning. I love the fact that she included a little piece of jewelry as well, and then that chapstick is nice too. So yeah, overall I think it's a really good box. I think it's a nice mixture of like different things. You have a little bit of everything, and I love the actual design of the box. I thought it was really pretty with the roses and then the little kind of like ice and snow over it, so it looks very wintry. So I'm super excited to see what she brings out for February. Definitely, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can order. So you are getting this every other month, so it's kind of like a nice little surprise every other month. So this year she'll probably have what, a February box, an April box, June, August, October, and then December. So yes, I hope you guys found that helpful. Way to go, Shannon. I loved this box. I think you did a really awesome job. I love this mug. I'm really actually very excited. It actually kind of goes with my little outfit as well. Everything is all color coordinated so well. I hope you guys all enjoyed and found this helpful. The link will be down below. I'll also link her channels and her Instagram down below as well, so you can see her super cute haircut. It's super adorable. And that's about it, guys. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.